The brand sent me these 76-inch heavy fabric resistance bands, and I want to show you why the length and material on these actually make a difference compared to what you might already have at home. Most resistance bands are short, snap after a few months, or roll up and dig into your skin mid-workout. These solve all three of those problems, and I am going to show you exactly how. These are made from a heavy layered fabric, not thin latex or rubber. That fabric construction means two things. First, they do not snap or lose elasticity over time the way rubber bands do. Second, the texture grips your skin and clothing so they stay exactly where you put them. No rolling, no sliding, no adjusting mid-set. At 76 inches long, they are significantly longer than standard resistance bands, which opens up a whole range of uses beyond just leg day. The length makes them ideal for full body stretching. You can hold both ends and get a deep assisted stretch through your hamstrings, back, and shoulders that you just cannot do with a short band. For yoga, they work really well as a strap for poses where flexibility is still a work in progress. Wrap it around your foot in a seated forward fold, and you will feel the difference immediately. For home fitness, they are great for banded squats, glute bridges, lateral walks, and upper body resistance work. The heavy resistance level gives you a real workout without needing weights. Whether you are a beginner building a home gym, a yogi looking for a reliable strap, or someone who just wants a durable band that actually lasts, this is a really solid option. The non-slip fabric means you get a clean, focused workout without constantly fixing your equipment. Follow along for more honest reviews like this one.